These are Summer and Bears Bernedoodle puppies. They're 4 weeks old today. I can tell you who's who here. Mr. Vocal, that's male number 3. With the light blue color on. There's male number 4 with the green collar on. If you can see his collar. There's male number 4. They're learning to potty on the papers now, and they're doing good. Blue collar boy, that's male number 2, and he's going to live with the Scott family, with his dad. They're all scratching at the collars. Put them on so it's easier to see them. The red collar is male number 6. You guys don't like those collars, huh? That's male number 6. Male number 1 is right there. The line collar on. Here's male number 2. Male number 3. And male number 6. Trying to get the collars off. Purple collar right here is male number 5. He's one of the most laid back. Male number 3 gets it for most vocal. What's the matter? It's male number 5. Here's that male number 3, Mr. Vocal back there. And then male number 4 next to him, and then in the back in the red, male number 6, male number 2. There's male number 7. Ah, hey guys, and my female. Hey, they're sleeping. Hey, hey guys. Oh my goodness. Here's the female, and she's going to live with the Ryan family. Hey! Oh boy! It's really hard to get a video when they see me because they want to be right on top of me. Where's male number 7? Here he is. What? You think it's sleepy time? You think it's sleepy time? Here's my runt. It's the smallest in the litter. Not by a whole lot. But he's a little bit smaller. And he's sleepy. He's very, very sweet. Very sweet. They're all very sweet. You guys gonna take a snooze, huh? Yes. Here's male number 7. Oh, that's not the paper. He's going potty. That's not the paper. It's over there. You missed it. They'll get it. They just came out of the pool yesterday, so just starting to paper train them. So I'm going to go crawl in the blanket and sleep. Okay, I think it's nap time.